I'm Donna and this is Budget Friendly Cooking. Today we're going to make another budget friendly and delicious dish, which is very simple and perfect for summer. So I have these beautiful zucchini and tomatoes from the farm. Got them today. Aren't they gorgeous? I love them. They are so soft actually that you can eat them raw. I tried to make a raw zucchini salad last week and it was fantastic. So we'll make it next time, but today I'm just gonna make zucchini and tomatoes with a little bit of basil, garlic, and that's it. Yeah, very simple. Alright, so it's very simple and basic. So we are going to cut zucchini, smaller pieces, just the way you want. Slice it. And it does not really take long because you don't want to overcook zucchini. It should be like little crunchy. And when you cook them with tomatoes, it actually hardens them, so it does not get like too mushy. But we are going to cook just for 10 minutes, so it will take about 15 minutes total. So I'm not going to do much, maybe just one zucchini because I don't have anybody at home who eats. My daughter's away and I'm still juicing, so nobody's going to eat this till Saturday or Sunday. Alright, I'm going to add a little bit of avocado oil here, about 2 tablespoons or a tablespoon, and let's wait. And I'm gonna put my zucchini here. My pot is hot. Alright, and I'm not gonna stir because I want little caramelization over zucchini, so I'm just gonna stir like in 2-3 minutes after it gets cooked from that side, and I'll just do a couple of times. I'll stir a couple of times and then add tomatoes. So I'm gonna start chopping the tomatoes meanwhile. These are gorgeous farm tomatoes. I love them. Oh my god, they smell so good. It's amazing how good quality ingredients affect the taste of the dish you're making. So today I made I made something for the photos, like boiled veggie salad with potatoes, beets, carrots, and it's just simple salad, and pickled cucumbers, yeah, and everything was from the farm. It was fantastic. Like the carrots tasted so delicious. So if you have an access to farmers markets and farms and some good local ingredients that are in season, that will affect the taste and flavor of your dish a lot. Alright, I'm not going to do more than 1 tomato because I think that will be enough. 1 nice juicy tomato. You see there, some of them are nicely caramelized. That's what we are looking for. And you don't need to put the lid on when we are cooking the zucchinis, and it's always better to have it on medium-high so that they kind of caramelize but don't get mushy. So I think it's enough, so I'm just gonna add tomatoes all over like that. And now I'm gonna put the lid on. So for the flavor, like zucchini does not really have any flavor. Tomatoes give nice flavor, sweetness and tartness, but I'm gonna add little basil here. This is from the farm too, and just because I have this jalapeno, I'm gonna add that too, and 1 garlic clove. Garlic is always good. Just a little bit. I'm gonna add garlic right now. So if you have parsley, you can add parsley at the end. If you have basil, that's perfect. It's always good to add some fresh herbs at the end because it's, besides the flavor, that looks prettier too. Alright. If you like spicy, you can add spicy pepper, but I think jalapeno will give nice flavor too. It's up to you. If you don't like, you don't have to add it. Right? Optional. Very simple. Alright, I'm gonna chop that. And see, and I don't want to overcook tomatoes because I want to have this right, fresh flavor. Oh, beautiful, beautiful color combination. Alright. And just roughly chop the basil. But you have to be very careful with the basil because if you smash it too much, it's gonna get dark and black. All right, it's almost ready. A few more minutes. It's a little bit of salt. I don't want to forget my salt. Just half a teaspoon. You can always add more. And pepper. And the garlic gives beautiful flavor already. It smells so good. And it's a good side dish if you like to have fish in summer. It's a great side dish with that. Or I would just eat that just like it, so I don't really need any protein with that. Alright, a few more minutes and they'll be ready. Alright, I'm gonna add some fresh herbs. And as soon as you add fresh herbs, you can turn it off 30 seconds or so. And this way your dish will taste fresh and bright and will look beautiful too. So we don't overcook our herbs or tomatoes or zucchini. So everything is nice and fresh. So this was our zucchini with tomatoes and basil. We made it under 15 minutes and it cost me $5 to make this dish, and it's perfect, budget friendly. It's perfect for summer, enough for 2 people. So if you like this episode, hit the subscribe button and I will see you next week with more budget friendly recipes. Thank you for watching.